All right, in this video, we're going to be looking at how we can merge two dictionaries together in Python. So let's start it off by creating a couple dictionaries. So we'll create the first one, we'll call it D1, all right? And we'll say it has a key value pair of 1 is going to be 10, 2 is going to be 20, 3 is going to be 30, okay? And we'll create another dictionary, 2, we'll say it's going to be what I do. So 4 is 40, 5 is 50. You can kind of figure out what we're doing here. 6 is 60. Okay? I have two dictionaries. If I go type, I put in D1, right? We got a dictionary. Type, D2, dictionary. Perfect. Now I want to merge these together into one simple, basic dictionary. How am I going to do this? In Python 3.9 or greater, there's actually a really easy way to merge two dictionaries. And what you would do is you basically create your new dictionary name. So we'll call it D3, let's say. You would take the dictionaries you want to merge, use this symbol here in D2 and run it. And now if I call D3, I have my dictionaries merged together. So really, really easy way of doing it, which is great. The other ways you can do it is you can do it as a function. And so let's clear this out of the way. So let's create a function, get rid of you as well. Go away. For you, we'll create a function, we'll call it define, we'll call it merge friends, all right? And it's gonna take in two variables. Okay, it's gonna take in X and Y. And what's gonna do is gonna go D3 equals X dot copy, okay? And then what this basically is, this dot copy, what it does is basically it starts, basically it takes a copy of all the key values as well as the key value pair that goes with it. And then we'll go D3 dot update, and it's going to take in Y. Did I do that right? Yes, okay, cool. So what it's going to do is basically it's going to say, okay, I'm going to make a copy of X, so this first one, perfect. And I'm going to update it, so update D3 with Y. Okay, and then we're going to return D3. I run that. Now let's call merge friends. I'm going to take in D1 and D2. I run it, and I have a merged dictionary together. All right, so again, we're using the dot copy to say, okay, we're making a copy of X, which in this case was the first one I put in. And I'm going to update D3, which I just created, which D3 equals D1 in this case, and I'm going to add it to it in the back.